This content is made for adult collectors. It's adult collectibles. It's family friendly content. สวัสดีครับ What's up guys? Welcome to Jokey Jiggy channel by HereHem. So this channel we are going to review movie comic collections. Alright, so make sure you subscribe and put notification bell so you won't miss the new episode that we can meet each other. So if you would like to check out some figure, you can check that out in the link below. 360 rotation for you guys to overview this awesome Gwen Stacy, Marvel Legends, Spider-Man retro wave. So I'm gonna hide this Spidey white suit for a moment, so and focus on the camera so you can see Gwen Stacy on action mode. So you don't really see her action pose that much, right? I'm just guessing. So here she is on the action mode. And also, let's take a look on her story a little bit, right guys? And here we have, so Gwen Stacy is this package. So she came from this package, but I already got her out of the package. So right here you can see she came with accessory, but I don't really go into that much because we focus on only Gwen Stacy herself. She has this accessory, this one, this one, this one. All right, and also this one, the red book over here. So she is the science student and she is Peter Parker girlfriend here. So Spidey, aka Spider-Man girlfriend. And in the alternate universe, she is Spider-Gwen, which is she has the ability, Spider-Man ability, Spider-Girl ability, what do you call Spidey ability, right? And that's pretty much her story, because this one is a comic figure, right? So let's get into her gimmick. I'm gonna take her off the stand right here, and so let's focus on my camera a little bit so then you can see here she can look up that far, she can look down, so but she looks unnatural when she's on this position, her head on this position, but actually yeah, she can turn side to side and tilt, actually a lot of tilt. So here I'm gonna zoom, focus on more. All right, and she has a diaphragm joint that can turn side to side, and she can crunch a little bit forward and back a lot more, so that much. And her arm can go her arm out that far, so this is as far as we can get. And she has 360 rotation on her arm and single joint at elbow that blend to not really 90 degrees but almost, and swivel at the elbow like so. And pretty little bit unfortunate, right, that we get a single joint at elbow. So let's move on. So her wrist can move up, move down and move up, and her wrist can rotate like so. And here, going to the leg, so her right leg can kick forward that much because her skirt, right? We have a cut on her right leg on her skirt, and kick back, so she can kick back, not really much, and upper thigh cut like that, and double jointed knee, so she can kick her own butt actually, right there, so she can blend. And ankle move up, ankle move down that much, and ankle pivot. It's more like ankle rotation actually. Yeah, a little bit of ankle pivot. So articulation is a pretty typical Marvel Legend figure, female figure, right? So I'm gonna put her in some pretty good position like so. So we try to make her stand without trying too much, like so. And then I'm gonna put her in the middle of the scene like that and focus. So I'll tell you guys every step every step I review. So let's do some comparison. Art of compare is our next topic, like so. And here we have modify Spidey in the white suit, which is pretty easy to modify. I just take Spidey head from the Spider-Man Retro Wave, Marvel Legends Spider-Man Retro Wave, and put on the Deadpool Miami White suit, like so. And here we have Spidey Marvel Legend Hasbro 2020 Retro Wave. And as you can see, I took his alternate head on the Deadpool white suit body. And here is original Spidey figure, Retro Wave. And here we have Batman Who Laughs, McFarlane toy, 7-inch scale and 6-inch scale female figure. So I'm gonna move Spidey in the white suit out of the scene, and here we have Emma Frost Hellfire Club, custom made by HereHem. I custom myself because I cannot wait for the actual Emma Frost Hellfire Club that will come up really soon, right? So the cape is on the way. We'll be with her real soon, right guys? So what do you guys think about the rating on her? So do you think how much rating she can get, how much score she can get? So for the articulation, I think it's pretty typical, normal female Hasbro Marvel Legend figure. So I'm gonna cut this score for 1 out of the 10, and I think overall she is a real, comic booky, pretty awesome figure, and she is pretty girl. She has a really nice face, nice sculpt overall and texture. So I think she deserves. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna give her 9 out of 10. How about that, guys? So I really like this figure a lot. So she is pretty awesome on displaying with a Spidey figure like here. So I kind of bought both of them in the same time. So hope you enjoyed this review, and we will see each other again on the next episode real soon. Love you guys who watch this review, and see you on the next one. HereHem signing off. สวัสดีครับ